Looking for a little health sauce for your brain? Let me show you one right here. Let me read this research paper. It says butyrate is a neuroepigenetic and the gut microbiome. So what the heck does that mean? That means that butyrate is a key component for your brain survival and your brain healing. Right here, this is what I use right here. This is calcium magnesium by Body Bio. You can get this on the internet anywhere. Now what this does is this helps your gut. It helps your brain. Your brain and your gut are intimately connected. Now if your brain ever feels like this, like it's leaking, then it probably is. If you have brain fog, brain fatigue, you're going to actually need to take a step-by-step approach to figure out what's going on. You're going to need multiple sources of brain healing. Now, butyrate is very, very easy. It's very, very simple, and it's very, very inexpensive. So I start my clients off maybe 2 caps 3 times a day. Some clients need to go up to 5 caps 3 times a day. So when you're sick, when your brain's not well, you need to do a super dose. Not a well dose, but a super dose. This is why the supplements in general, when I see clients, are way more than what's on the bottle. The bottle is for well people. If you've enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.